This Christmas that is approaching, we want to communicate to all the Vedruna family our best wishes to live this feast with the joy of knowing that we are united and accompanied by this incarnate God who is Jesus. The year 2020 has surprised us with many things, largely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We painfully bid goodbye to many of our sisters and other persons of our Vedruna family, and relatives, friends and neighbors, persons who are very significant. We have lived in our own flesh the belonging to this suffering and pained humanity. And we also live with gratitude that many of our sisters have recovered and that many others have not been infected. And above all, we appreciate the generous gestures of so many people who have risked their health, taking care of us and accompanying us. We know the immense chaos in which our society is submerged. The economic and labor problem, the difficulties of many families to make ends meet. Our hearts are filled with peace by the many gestures of accompaniment to people in need, and help of all kinds to our family is making possible. The service of schools that with much creativity are continuing to attend to the children in safe environments. Dispensaries and hospitals offering the necessary care. In this we are crossing over, there are many angels and stars that indicate us, as they did to the shepherds and the wise men, that Jesus is in the midst of us. The incarnate Word of God reveals to us that adverse circumstances also are mysteriously embraced by the tenderness of God. The important thing is that we open our hearts and we are able to welcome without reservation this fragile child who brings a new life for all. This Jesus knocks at our door and asks us to freely give him shelter, and that we open our houses to go out to meet the people and to tell them, here is your house. This time has revealed to us that only if we work hard together, we can come out of this shipwreck and sail on a calm sea. At the doors of the year 2021 that we hardly know about, but hope gives us the certainty of knowing that the Lord always accompanies us and goes on making the way with this humanity in need of him, that is seeking him now more than ever. Let us go together, accompanying one another, facing this future with greater depth, a looming future that is enriched by the experiences of this time that have taken away many securities. Together we will dream a better future for all, without leaving anyone out. A society of personal and community meetings, of humanizing relationships and of shared dreams. We wish you all a year full of blessings, solidarity, health, and sustainability, without anyone lacking, work in order to live with dignity, the roof converted into a home and bread for each day. From Rome, a big embrace full of love for the Vedruna family.
Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas. Joyeux Noel. Kurismasu omedeto gozaimasu. Zorionak eta urte berria. Bon Nadal. Feliz Natal. Agur di Natale.